So, ug karon paingon na ta saka sa escalator. Second floor ni siya. So I'll show you around sa mga restaurant din eh. So first up ining saka nimo sa escalator is the restaurant called Chili's. And Chili's na sila, it's mostly I call this pub food. I'm not into it, but I think some are. Steak, burger, ribs, nice desserts, fajitas, soups, salads. Chili's, nice ambience. Chili's. They have breakfast, typical Western breakfast, and one of my favorites, Nanyang. Nanyang is Singaporean Singaporean nga mga pagkaon, and kapuyo ko sa Singapore sa una, and I can tell you mga niya akong mga favorite. So Hainanese chicken rice, ganahan ko kayo kung anak-anak. Of course, laksa number 1, nasi lemak number 2, fishbowl, kampong fried rice, mee siam, and then also toast, kaya toast, one of my favorites, snack with coffee, kopi O, kopi C, kopi T, Milo dinosaur, mga bata anak. And so yeah, so yesterday nagkaon ko din ha. I had laksa, and today ako ning birahan ang nasi lemak, which is my favorite. So that's Nanya. Okay, so moving forward, let's go on this side. Daghan pa mga kuhanda, but let's go dire. Sirado pa. Something juicy is roasting. Chicken juicy. I think murag kuhan siya, Kenny Rogers or anything chicken manok inasal. Then na mga typical, of course, Chowking, McDonald's, na Popeyes, puro man ni manok. Siguro chicken corner ni sa this Popeyes sa kuan American, okay, chicken fast food. Lamit po nilang chicken. It's nice ambience niya, very lively while nagkaon og manok. This is Angel's Pizza. Of course, sa name itself, you already know what they sell. But napo sila yung manok yapon. So this is chicken floor, like a chicken corner, I think. So that's Angel's Pizza. Of course, na yung mga pizza and chicken. Nice guy. Double deal. So again, Popeyes. Samay natin eh. Pancake House. Dutch. I think no, just pancakes. Tanaw na to sila. But before that, na UCC Mentore. Sama ni siya. Sa may baligya ninyo dire pre. Mix, may pasta, may sandwiches, na sila breakfast. There's Filipino breakfast there. Ube oatmeal, interesting. Naked longanisa. Yeah, just looking around. Okay. Wala akong kasama eh, so sige ha. So that's UCC Mentore. Here, Pancake House, as I mentioned. I'll just go check that out later. Of course, KFC chicken. So this is chicken corner actually. So LA chicks, all chicken. But here, this is Seattle's best Coffee. Ah. I've never heard of this coffee shop, but I think it's just selling coffee, maybe nice coffee. Sila okay, mango, cocoa, milkshake, so tropical. Fusion, papaya, no, chia seeds. So that's steak. Gusto mong coffee, diha. And then pineapple pies and cheesecakes. So this is desserts, mostly pineapple. What do they have? Empanada. Oh, box of empanada, and empanada. Empanada. It's nice. Snack. Let's check out inside. So, hello, cakes. Oh, mga cake. Desserts mostly. Ano ba sila yung pagkaon? Butter chicken. But yeah. Mix na pasta na chicken. Chicken again. And of course, Chowking. One of my favorite fast food chains. Chowking, and it's at the corner near the restroom. So if gusto kag convenience, then dire ka sa Chowking kaon. Apart from mayo, mga pagkaon din sa Chowking. Doon na po sa toilet. Siyempre, na yung chow fan, typical laureate, halo-halo, siopaw, siomai, and all the shaw. Dire, Chowking. Irresistible. Go-to place. Chowking. So, ano Chowking? So, Chowking, natin sa tumoy. Remember, na natadol sa toilet. Banapo, Shuttle's Best Coffee, KFC, UCC. And then, as I mentioned, diba? Chicken. I got my hot chicken at LA Chicks. Never heard of it. Siguro ka mga taga-Amerika. So, another chicken. But, Pancake House. Monisha. And, just looking around. Pancakes, waffles, starters, chicken, mix. Yeah, it's okay. Desserts. Halo. Okay. Not just pancakes, but others. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So that's Pancake House. So it's not really pancake, but they sell pancakes and anything in the house. That's why they have everything. And here is again Angel's Pizza, the customer. And then another Singaporean shop, Bread Talk. Lami nilang mga pandere. Itong mga wala naka-familiar Bread Talk, lami kanilang mga pandere, especially kanin. I might get that. Mga floss, chicken floss, that's kanilang specialty. They're known for this. Mga floss. Na? Lami kina. That's mayonnaise and then. And of course the other bread. But yeah, see? They're really known for that. Bread Talk. Lami na lang pan. Okay, Watami. Japanese, of course. But it's Watami Grill and Sushi. So it's a bit more formal. Yeah, murag sa nga sa tawagan niya murag kanang sagol-sagol na ginamit. It's Japanese stuff. Watami Grill and Sushi Bar. What do they have? So nasa like mga rice bowls, skewers, sashimi, ramen. So ramen nila is shoyu spicy miso ramen. Tonkotsu ramen. Yep. Typical Japanese. But I'm mostly into ramen, so I hope their ramen is good. But I can't think of food yet. So mara din na nanyang itong chilies and dito there's another floor. Yeah, oh, that is the departure. This is level 2. This is level 2 sa Terminal 3. So sa Ubos, there's lots of food court, mostly like smaller ones. This one is more like restaurant-y nga kuan nga style diri. So mga big restaurant style, sit down. Sa Ubos, mga typical food court sa Pilipinas, yung order ka niya, kaon ka sa kuan diri. Dito sa Ubos, mukaon ka sa gawas, diri mukaon ka sa sulod. Is mga restaurant. So man siya, merogame udon. Mo lang mga kuan, it's like kan silang mga baligya na ay mga so here, hot cold udon, chicken paitan, sukiyaki ninja, spicy pork. Looks delicious. Yeah, and then this, yeah, it's a sit down. It's a better view there. Very long, good one. Yeah. Let's take a closer look. So that's there. Looks delicious. And then so that's marugame udon and tempura. Looks delicious. Sikat na sila kay taas-taas sa manog linya, just in case. And next to it is Jayco Reserve. It's just coffee, desserts, donuts. Wow. Sila chili con carne turnover, mga pastries, and then ubi cheese. I should get this ubi cheese and red velvet, so I'll get this later. And then speculoos and pistachio. Mr. Green. Looks delicious. Free donut. So they also have breakfast. Hello. Egg Benedict. So much food. I'm just not hungry. But I'll come back to this Jayco Reserve. Maraglindot na I'll buy a set. Notana tabi. How much is the 6? 345. Okay. 345. And 6 donuts, 5 plus 1. Good deal. So Jayco Reserve, and I think they also have a coffee corner here, coffee shop. Okay. Then next is Mary Grace. Mary Grace. What do you have? Oh, it's it's a typical restaurant. Let me check. Na sila, is this Filipino? Oh yes, this is Filipino. Na sila. What's this? Cheese roll, Mary Grace ensaymada, chocolate brownies. Yeah, it's like desserts, but they also have typical food. Also have chicken here. Okay. Yeah. So that's Mary Grace. And then next is Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen. Spinach, goat cheese, luscious truffle, pasta, seafood olio. I like that. So this is a pasta place. But then again, I'm not hungry. That's why di kaya ko makafocus. Marble ribeye steak with eggs. Steak with eggs. Breakfast steak. Not my typical one, but I think some will like that. Not my typical breakfast, but yeah, that's Mama Lou's Italian Kitchen, and this is going to the parking. So that's the end of that side. And then of course Kenny Rogers, you know what they have. Kenny Rogers, chicken, steak, mac and cheese. So that's napos like Kenny Rogers din. So this part here sa second floor is mostly restaurants. I think it's really nice restaurants. So unfortunately I don't have the appetite, but I think lamit nila mga pagkaon. So we'll see. Either I will have the tatong sananyang, or lamit po itong Japanese. But I always have Japanese dito sa Amsterdam. Nanyang kay Singapore. Okay, last but not least, this is Paris baguettes. Paris. Murag French connection. Ano? Saan ito? Shop. Murag Deli France, I think. Of course, it will not be Paris if walay croissant. They have ube, parmesan, Basque cheesecake. Everything na ube. Of course, very, very Filipino. Yeah, so na croissant. For those who like croissants. I love croissants. And daghan, it's nice muna. Kuhaan nila dito. This looks nice. Hong Kong peanut French toast. Ensaymada. Really, really localized. So nice, yeah. So you go check it out. Of course, baguette. It will not be called Paris baguette if wala sila baligya baguette. Okay, so that's it. That's the second floor of NAIA Terminal 3. Tambayan atbp Foodcourt. And yes, so that's most of the shops here. Abubs, Cebuano lechon. Yeah, nasa ubos na. Wala pa, naglechon pa sila. Sayo pa man. Okay, that's it. Now, na-tour na ninyo. Okay, and then we go up sa third floor, which is Moto. Gikan ko dito. W Lounge. Ano yung mga departure. So ako lang yung i-sequence ako ang videos para kabalo mo. First floor, second floor, and then third floor, and then at least you have a preview aning Terminal 3 sa NAIA. See ya!